Hi, I'm Jessica, an e-learning specialist, and I'm here to show you how to print an Excel sheet that has hidden columns. Okay, first, how do you hide a column? Well, I've got a file here, and the easiest way to do it is simply to choose the column, right-click, hide. There we go. Now, when I go to print, so File, Print, and if you're using 2013, this is great because the preview is automatic. But you'll see that that hidden column is still hidden. So if I want to print a file that has hidden columns and I want to print those columns, I have to unhide them. I'm going to do that by highlighting the two columns on either side of the hidden column, right-click again, and unhide. There it is. Now when I go to File, Print, you'll see that that column is back. So that's really the best way to do it. Remember, if the problem is you're trying to fit them on one page, you can always go to Page Layout and use your width and height to scale to fit. And now this will all fit on one page. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.